Welcome back to Bez Reviews. Today we are looking at the AIPER Scuba V3, an advanced robotic pool cleaner promising a truly hands-off experience. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let us dive into whether this AI-powered machine is worth adding to your backyard maintenance routine. Let us take a closer look at the cleaning technology and intelligent features that make the Scuba V3 stand out in a busy market. The Scuba V3 focuses on efficiency by using front-facing cameras to identify debris rather than just moving randomly. This AI navigation helps it cover more ground in less time. Combined with its multi-layer filter, it can catch even very fine sand particles, ensuring that your water stays clean and safe for everyone to enjoy. The AI Patrol system is a standout feature because it actively maps the pool to identify specific debris, making the cleaning cycle much more productive. Having a filter capable of grabbing 3-micron debris is excellent for ensuring that fine sand or invisible contaminants do not remain in your swimming pool. It is great to see the company prioritize privacy by keeping all the visual data processing directly on the device instead of sending it away. The combination of AI pathing and fine filtration keeps water clear and makes this robot a highly capable addition to any modern pool setup. Moving on to how this robot fits into your daily life and whether the investment provides enough value for your home. Ease of use is crucial for any pool cleaner, and the Scuba V3 excels here with its wireless charging dock. No more fumbling with wet cables or exposed connectors. Its lightweight design is another big win, allowing you to lift it out of the water without too much physical effort on your part. The wireless charging dock is a major win for daily maintenance, as it removes the frustration of dealing with plugs or wet cables after every cycle. While the technology is impressive, the high price point means you really have to value full automation to justify the cost over a standard cleaner. The overall build is compact and ergonomic, which is very helpful for lifting the unit out of your pool at the end of the day. This machine is designed for maximum convenience, even if the initial price is high for a standard pool cleaning accessory. The AIPER Scuba V3 brings a high level of sophistication to pool care with its AI vision and smart docking. It is a powerful tool for those tired of manual scrubbing, provided the price fits your budget. While it requires a significant initial outlay, the time saved and the convenience of autonomous operation make it a compelling choice for consistent pool health.